Hello, my friends. Hope so all you are very well and you are keep enjoying your online classes. And I am here, your Tapasar, once again to continue your English to Oxford class. And hope so the last Saturday the video for physical fitness for physical exercise that is given in your WhatsApp group, and hope so you have enjoyed and you are keep practicing yourselves to keep yourself what, yes, fit. And yes, the surroundings that you can see that we are in a wood, we are in a jungle, we are in a forest, and the story today is gonna be very interesting. Okay, and throughout the story we will enjoy, and at the end of the story definitely we'll get a very good moral. Okay, so the story is about the clever fox and the greedy wolf. Yes, you have got the point. The story that we are going to start together. Okay, first of all, the story let me tell you in my own way. Then after, I will read the book for you also once again, the one by one, line by line, and the word by word. Okay, so without losing the moment, let's start. Welcome back again. The same surrounding I am here. The scenario is same that we are in a wood, we are in a forest, we are in a jungle, and in this jungle, once upon a time, what happened? This clever fox and this greedy wolf, they two came together in this wood, and they are gossiping each other, and this, making the howling sound. Let's listen its sound. Make your sound. So also we can listen the sound. And so this clever fox, the greedy wolf. Okay, so the fox is very clever and the wolf is very greedy. So they two are talking about that the wolf, the who is very greedy and feeling too much hunger. Okay, so this greedy wolf is feeling very hunger and he likes to eat this fox. Okay, but the fox is very clever. So the clever fox, he gave him a very good proposal. So let's go to that house, and in that house something is being cooked, and let's have that. So let's go to that house. Okay, so let's go to that house together. That house after that. So now we are in this town, and in this town we can see one house. Where is that house? A house, come back. So this is the house in my hand. On in this house, in that kitchen, and kitchen is a room where your mother, where my mother, where our mothers, they cook there, isn't it? So in kitchen one lady is cooking something. What is that? That is this delicious cake. Okay, the cake is very yummy, and the fox gave, sorry, the greedy wolf. Okay, the greedy wolf wanted to eat the clever fox, but the clever fox gave him the offer. So let's have this cake. So now let me put it down. Now it's okay, and this here. Okay, so now the cake is here, and sorry, now the house is here and the cake is here. Okay, my dear. So then after, what happened, that the greedy wolf and the clever fox, the story is going to be end. And so clever fox made the wolf very, make the wolf full. Okay, and so how he made him full, and were they successful to get this yummy cake, and the story is about that. So now we are going to read the story. So let's go to your book. Okay, so open your book, let's have a look.
So hope so my friends, hope so you have opened your book on your page number 60. Now we are going to start the story Clever Fox and Greedy Wolf. So read with me, and now I have become from real to a virtual animated character. Okay, so let's start. A clever fox met a greedy wolf in the forest. So they met where? Answer, in the forest. And now the wolf growled. I am hungry. I am hungry, growled the wolf. I am going to eat you up. So that means the wolf is very hungry and he wants to eat the fox, understood? So the fox was frightened. Frightened means डर गया. Don't eat me, Mr. Wolf, please don't, cried the fox. So the fox has started to cry and he is requesting Mr. Wolf, okay, please don't eat me. And now the wolf is replying, why not? Roared the wolf, I am hungry. Okay, so now the fox was thinking and suddenly he hit upon an idea. And now he is saying, the fox had an idea. Come with me, said the fox. So the fox gave him an offer. Please come with me. I will find you some food. That means the fox is making a plan to make the fool to wolf. And so he gave him an offer to come with him. For that reason he is saying, come with me, said the fox, I will find you some food. The fox took the wolf to an old house. The question may come that which type of house it was. Answer, an old house. Okay, so the fox took the wolf to an old house. They looked through the kitchen window. Okay, so through the window they looked inside the house and they saw inside the kitchen. Okay, and what did they see? Ah, said the wolf, look at the food. Oof, it's very yummy, delicious. In the kitchen, a woman was putting cakes on a shelf. Okay, the question may come. The woman kept the cake where? Answer, on a shelf. Okay, so after that, she went out of the kitchen and shut the door. So the woman locked the kitchen and he came out and he closed the door also. So we can't get in, said the wolf. So wolf said, we can't get in. Shh, be quiet, whispered the fox. So the fox is saying in very low voice. So whispered means saying in very low voice. The kitchen window was very small. The fox opened it. He climbed through the window. Come inside, said the fox to the wolf. So the question may come the between the fox and the wolf who get inside first. Okay. Answer, the fox got inside the first. The wolf climbed inside. The fox and the wolf started to eat the cakes. The fox ate only one cake. But then the fox took three cakes and put them outside the window. Okay, the wolf was greedy. He ate one cake, chomp, chomp, chomp. Here the word chomp means the eating sound. Then he ate another cake and another and another. So can you understand? The fox was really, he was very greedy. He did not stop to eat the cakes. He was eating the cakes one after another. The wolf ate one after another. How many cakes? 8 cakes. And till now, but still did not stop. The wolf ate 8 cakes, but still did not stop. Suddenly, the woman came into the kitchen. And suddenly, who came inside the kitchen? Yes, the woman who kept the cake inside the shelf, he got inside suddenly. And when he got inside, what happened? What are you doing here? Shouted the woman. Come on, page number 62 on. What are you doing here? Shouted the woman. Have you eaten my cake? So the lady is very angry because she cooked the cake and now the wolf is and the wolf and the fox they are eating the cake. So for that reason the lady became very angry. So she is saying, what are you doing here? Shouted the woman. Have you eaten my cakes? The woman picked up a rolling pin. The fox jumped through the small window. So The fox jumped through the small window. So the window was small or big? Yes, the window was very small. He picked up the three cakes and ran away. So these three cakes outside, from where it has come. So can you remember when the story started? Through the window, he threw it out. Okay, so he picked up the three cakes and ran away. The greedy wolf was too fat. So the greedy wolf was too fat. Too fat means very fat. And so because he was very fat, in the picture you can see also, so he could not get through the window. Oh dear, what did the poor wolf pick up? So happily ending, and from this story we have understood and we have got a model that I said you here before, that will get a model definitely after ending the story. So the moral is with you. What is the moral? That we should not be greedy. We should not be greedy. We should control ourselves. Okay. So this was the
So hope so the
story.
story you have enjoyed, that I read, that I made for you. And now time is there to take leave from you. And so stay at home. Till then, tata, bye bye.